We're trying to head to the boy Vince's house. But this fool over here lagging.
Yeah, bro.
It's the first time I'm gonna try this whole vlog thing. I don't really know how it's gonna work, especially in first person view, but
I mean, you gotta show yourself too. That's the part of the vlog. I'm saying.
but I'm fugly.
You know, I'm beautiful, so make sure you keep the camera on me at all times.
Shut up, fool.
Car.
Shut up, fool.
My guy. You're like goodie bag, bro.
Goodie bag for the boy Vince.
He's getting blessed today. You already know what it is, my guy.
Hopefully we're gonna be installing some Mugen parts today on his 8th gen. So we'll see how it goes. Should be fun.
Stop like mafia.
Yeah, whose car is that? As nasty. As nasty.
Hey, Sonoma County roads are very bumpy though. Oh hell no, your time lapse is gonna suck. Dude, oh my god. This is one of the worst time lapses ever. You should just put this in the vlog like how it is because it's horrible, my god. Oh my god.
Try doing a time lapse here, but some kind of roads suck.
We're really out here. Yeah. Hey, everybody. Taking the camera from. Oh, hold on. Damn, focus, ho. Damn, look at these damn roads. Oh, hell no. Oh my god, alright. Alright, let's see. Alright. Start time lapse. Right here.
Look at this Datsun right here. There we go.
Yeah, dude. I'm gonna
Look at this 8th gen right here.
do some headers maybe.
There we go.
Not to like, don't want to throw it out there yet. Gotta keep it low key, but
Right?
if everything goes good, that's the next move.
We out here chilling with the boy Vince right there. I'll pull this put his tag up right around there.
There you
Bet.
go. Yeah, dude.
Right here. First 3 members. Stop like mafia out here. Hey, Casey Neistat the GOAT. We out here. Yeah, what are we doing, Chris? Please let us know.
We're changing out the boy kid flips
Get it.
shift loop on the 8th gen.
Yeah, we out here. You already know. Palm tree. Looking beautiful out here. Yeah. Having a little difficulties with this.
Supposedly when you go into first gear,
Ain't nothing much though.
you're shifting
You got this.
these things.
Alright. So what's going down, my guys?
So what's going down is I installed this shit backwards. Now I'm all over here trying to do it again.
And
I would.
Look who else came through out here. Hey, say what's up to our vlog, cause like we out here in Santa Rosa.
North Bay Media?
No, it's stoplight, bro. Damn. Send it! Nah, it ain't work. Alright.
Yeah. Now we're doing the wing over on Eddie's car.
Yeah.
Put his tag right.
We'll put his tag right up.
Right, wait, where's my finger? Right here.
Right there or something.
There you go.
We'll put it right
hey,
there.
No, just
right above his head.
Hey, no, but I mean, just zoom in on his tag.
Oh, wait, never mind. I might not even have to do that one. I was gonna add the bling sound effect, but I don't have to. There it is. Bling. Yeah. Let's get right here, man.
Hey, you got an intake in this home? No, not yet.
Look at that. It's all stock. That's the biggest lie I've ever heard in my life.
It is.
Hey,
It's not a dirty, don't look inside.
Hey, zoom in on his damn exhaust, bro.
Under the exhaust. Look at the
Oh,
box.
let's see.
Look under the car. Look under the car.
Oh, she's got.
Under from this side.
She's got the burnt tip. I gotta get this first, bro. Look at that. That shit's dope.
Look at it from this side.
Oh shit, I'm almost falling over. Shit. Oh,
She's working?
Oh, okay. You might not.
oh shit, that's dope. That sounds clean, bro. Sounds hella clean.
I know. That sounded so cabin.
Yeah, I'll agree. I agree with that. Look at that. Shit. Yeah.
She's like, he's going.
Check it out. Check it out. Check it out.
You're buying food tonight, Eddie?
Put that there for now. Got that shift knob. Got that shift boot. It's all Mugen power. Yeah, we just put that roof visor. Look at that vibe right there. Oh, yeah. Look at that vibe.
Damn, Eddie.
Make sure y'all follow these guys on Instagram.
Damn, Eddie.
And there's my dirty car.
Yeah, that shit's nice. Yours isn't dirty. Mine's dirty. Look at this.
You can't tell, it's white.
Watch this.
Damn, bro. He's drawing.
Can you draw? Can you make it say wash me?
Can you say it, right? Can you say it?
He's actually doing it. No shit, he's down.
He's down with the
He's
culture,
down
bro.
with the culture.
Bro.
Shit. So I guess Eddie doesn't actually drive a Honda, he drives a microwave.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. Popcorn's ready.
The rest are down here. I'll grab the camera and you hit two-step.
No, I gotta wait for Vince to come out here
Oh,
before
yeah.
I hit two-step. Crank it up. Crank it up. Oh, that's sweet. What I like about it is it's not overly loud.
Mine's a little kitty.
It purrs. It looks clean and it purrs.
Send it.
Send it. There we go. Yeah.
Hey, red light.
That sounds nice. It's not overly loud.
Hey, that's good, eh?
That's good. It's not overly loud. These guys are out there checking the cars out.
Put the camera on.
Damn.
We out here, you know, the habit. You gotta have it. Stop light. Hey, hold on, I ain't done yet. Stop light mafia. Make sure to follow us.
Damn. All these bumps. So if you guys know anything about this city, you know that this road is always under construction. It's been a good 6-7 years that this thing has been under construction, and just now they finally put pavement in. If you guys are from Sonoma County, you know exactly what road I'm talking about. So we back, and I think that's gonna conclude my first vlog, and hopefully not the only one. We got some food. It was bomb. Focus. Focus. There we go. Cool. So I guess I'm gonna go ahead and just leave it here. If you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you don't, go ahead and leave a dislike or a comment. This fool's struggling to get out of the car.
I ate hella.
Yeah, for sure. Alright. Peace out.